So I'm gonna be making country ribs today. There's 3 of them. These are the seasonings I will use. First thing I'm gonna do is open this up, put them in this bowl, and clean the meat off. Then I will season it with these seasonings. Now I have the ribs in the container, so I'm going to turn on the cold water and just rinse them a bit. It would have been better if I seasoned these last night, but I didn't. Pour this water out. Okay, so one more rinse. Oops, okay, clean the sink out before. Okay. So, I'm going to season them now. First, I have some tenderizer that I'll be using to make sure that they're nice and tender. So, got some seasoned salt. I don't know why I call it seasoning salt and it's seasoned salt. All right, reading is fundamental for sure. What else I got? Some granulated garlic, granulated onion. Got some garlic, granulated garlic. And some black pepper. Now these will be cooked in barbecue sauce for the last hour, so I don't really need too much seasoning. So I'm just gonna get this seasoning incorporated on both sides. I'll leave a little water in there a bit. I'm able to spread the seasoning. It just helps get it right. So just make sure the seasoning is on both sides really well. And then we're going to place it into our container. Over here. I'm just going to use a little baking dish like this, and I can fit all 3 of them in here perfectly, and it does have a lid. The reason I'm opting for this is because I don't have any aluminum foil. I have a little bit, but it's not enough. So I'm going to try to force these babies in here. And really only 2 fit good. So I'm going to have to squeeze this 3rd one in here. But I mean, this is literally going to cook for, it's going to have to cook like at least 2 hours probably. So I got all 3 pieces in there, and this is the top. And I'm going to put on it, and I'll let it go in the oven for 2 hours, and then I will show you what it looks like before I add the barbecue sauce. So the country ribs have been in the oven for about 1 hour and 40 minutes. So I'm gonna see how they look. They look good. Ooh, this top is so heavy. Okay. They look delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a fork so I can flip them over. So they created a nice broth at the bottom. Oh my god, they breaking apart. So I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna add in my barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna cook it for another about hour and 15 minutes. I'm trying to see, I think I'm gonna drain off this juice, but that juice looks good, but I'm gonna go ahead and drain it off, because if I don't, my barbecue sauce will be really watery, and I don't want it watery. So I'm gonna drain this juice, lay these down back flat, and pour the barbecue sauce on it. So I poured off the broth. The broth is really good. So I know this is gonna be so good. I'm about to open up my barbecue sauce so I can just pour it on top of the meat. Put it back in the oven, like I said, for about an hour and 15 minutes. I'm gonna be generous with it, because I really bought it for this, so I don't care if I use the whole bottle. So yeah, just pour it on like that. And I have to use my oven mitt when I grab the top, because this material that this pot is made of, it really holds heat. So I'm gonna put the top on it and pop it back in the oven. Okay, so I'll pop this back in the oven. So this has been in the oven for about 25 minutes with the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna check on it, because I don't want the meat to overcook. So let's see what's happening. Okay, it's smelling good. So what's going on? So looks good. Is this piece like tender? Let's see. I believe so. So I broke a piece off. I'm gonna try it and see. It's hot. Y'all got a mouth of steel. I'm glad y'all couldn't see me, because it's burned my whole mouth. It's very good. Oh my. My. No, let me stop playing. Let me stop playing with y'all. I just pulled this bone out. It's a bone. So the meat came right out. So I say the meat is done. So I'm pretty satisfied. I'm gonna flip this meat over and then just put it back in the oven for a while. See, it's breaking apart. It's too tender. So tender. It'll be breaking. So, whoop. Okay, I think I'm gonna be able to hold it to flip it. Okay, piece. Can you work with me, please? Okay. So, once I get everybody like situated in the pot, I'm gonna pop it back in the oven. So, I just flipped it. Make sure everybody covered in sauce. So yeah, everybody's covered in sauce. So I'm just gonna pop it back in for the remaining time. I just wanted to show you out when I put it out the oven. Okay, so this is how everything is looking. Just wanted to check in, make sure nothing's burning. And it's not, because my mom got me this really awesome dish here. And it cooks really good. Well, this is actually one of her. When she gets new items, she just gives me the old ones. So, everything is looking good. I think it's starting to break apart even more. So even more tender. See that? Now we couldn't see how that broke. Go ahead and eat that little piece right there. Okay, and it looks good. See, nice and tender. Really good. So yeah, I think this is done. So my ribs are done, tasted and approved by my boyfriend. They are so good, nice and tender, melt in your mouth. This is my first time cooking country ribs, and they turned out great. My boyfriend wanted to try them, so look, we tried them, and they taste really good, and they turned out really good. So you should definitely try this recipe, because it is very good and very easy. The only thing is you need 3 hours, because I did have to cook it for 2 hours, poured out the juice, and then cooked it for an additional hour with the barbecue sauce. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Look at how tender this is. I'm just able to cut through with my little plastic little spoon. So it cooked very well. You can even cut through the fat with the spoon. That's how tender it is, okay? So, see? Go right through the fat with the spoon. So that shows you just how tender this really is. So once again, thank you so much for watching.